Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text in Instagram. Tap the paper airplane or messenger icon, choose a chat or start a new DM, type your message, add photos, stickers, or voice notes, and press send. Use replies to quote messages and threads to keep topics neat. Try vanish mode for quick disappearing chats, mute conversations to reduce notifications, and adjust privacy controls to limit who can message you for safer, calmer messaging. Instagram offers neat tools to make texting richer and faster. Hold a message to react or reply directly to it, and forward content quickly. Use View Once for ephemeral photos or videos, and choose Allow Replay when needed. Record voice messages for hands-free updates, and use quick replies for common responses. Pin important chats, mute noisy threads, and use search to find old messages instantly for smoother conversations every day. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If this video helps, please subscribe and like to keep these tips coming. On another note, I love using leak-proof containers for meal prep because they stop spills, stack neatly, and make sending lunches with your messages simpler. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a set if you want, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Protecting your DMs is simple and important. Check message requests to screen unknown senders before accepting, and use block or restrict to stop unwanted contact. Turn on vanish mode when you want messages to disappear after viewing, and limit who can add you to group chats in settings. Review active devices and log out of sessions you do not recognize, and keep story and profile privacy tightened to reduce unsolicited messages and maintain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.